Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's feast is massive. Oh my goodness, look at all this.
Wow,
This is incredible.
I'm so hungry.
Let's eat. All right, feast your eyes on this. It's time to dig in. Let's start with this giant mutton shank. All right, feast time. Let's do this. Wow. Seriously good. He pulls a piece of meat off the bone with his teeth. Wow. So good. So refreshing. Just try some. This one looks perfect. Whoa, that's hot. Okay, wash it down with this. Amazing. Look at this spice. Wow, that is spicy. Oh my God. Wow, so crispy. Let's do this. Delicious. Absolutely amazing. This is amazing. They look amazing. So good. Delicious. Absolutely flavorful. That texture is perfect. Whoa, that's spicy. Let's cool it down.
Better.
That's better. Now back to the challenge. Amazing. Yes, just like that. Wow. Oh, this is delicious. Finger licking good. Amazing flavor. Wow, I love it. Finished.